Whoa, get another package? All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from MajorSurplus and Survival. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. MajorSurplus and Survival. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. Okay. So I've got some flyers and manifest. And a couple of items right here. Okay. So a little flyer here, MajorSurplus and Survival. See here, large variety of items. And what we actually received today are just a couple examples of Czech Military Pant Liner. And these are sized large, supposedly for 36 to 38 inch waist. So these actually look like they have the sizes stapled onto them. Right away I can see here some tags. And you can see here the top waist area appears to be. There's even some numbering right there. So you can see here some button points at the top. These are not loops. These are actually stitched on points. And the buttons do go all the way around. You can see here this kind of drawstring that goes to both sides. Button here, single button, and the quilted material. Elasticized cuffs, they're still pretty flexible. And let's see, both appear to be about the same. This one does have this lighter green hem area versus this one has more of an olive green area. That's one difference I see right away. Again, number right there. And these are pretty flexible as well. You can see kind of the way these are stitched together with external stitching as opposed to putting the stitching on the inside of pants normally. Looks like here's another number possibly right there. This one's buttoned. Let's take a look at the back of this example. See here, 1991, possibly. This is dated. This one here has 8-9. You can see crossed swords on both. And the labels on this one are slightly different. So, just taking a very quick look at a couple examples of Czech military pant liners, in this case both being size large. And again, these all came from MajorSurplus and Survival. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. MajorSurplus and Survival. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage MajorSurplus tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.